What's up, YouTube? Moto vlog number 15 coming at ya in the pickup because it's cold and windy. So let's do some bike work, get some stuff done, and then we can go ride. All right, guys, we're back in the garage here. Here's my 22 KX250. We're gonna go ahead and replace the air filter on this bad boy. Got some clean ones right here. Garage is a mess, but it's in progress. Getting the wiring done, getting insulated, some plywood up. Takes time, lots of parts, extra bike. All right, go ahead and we'll throw some air filter oil on this bad boy, throw it in, and then get ready to ride. Here's these Moto Sports foot pegs. I don't know if this video does it much justice. Oh, there we go, better angle. Yeah, they're pretty sweet. 11 ounces, I believe, for each of them, or maybe together. Super sharp. Super sharp. Thing's freaking epic. First brand new bike since I was a kid. Thing absolutely rips. Got the FMF on there. Power Core 4. Dirt Tricks rear sprocket, the DID gold chain. No non-O-ring. Not run to any O-ring chains. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much stock. It's ready to rip. Alright, let's get this air filter, or at least oiled. So, Maxima Fab 1 air filter. I don't know if you can even see that. Probably not. Twin air filter. Maxima Racing Oil spray on air filter. Fab 1. It's blue. Let's get this done. Gotta get a nice layer on here and work it all in. It's a little colder out, so I think that doesn't help. I don't know if that... Yeah, oh, yeah, it's cold. It's stiff. Gotta knead it. Put it together. Make sure it's covered. Alright. Let's go get the old one out and this one in. Alright. Now we can get the other filter out. So this bolt not only stripped right away, and it was easy with that. I didn't try to over crank it, but over time this thing just wore out. Needs that steel Healy coil put in. And then this one, the bolt that goes in the fender back here, right back in there, pretty much the same thing as that one. It's like a square one. They suck, and you change them all the time. The bolt gets a little dirt in it, don't want to work well. Then it spins. Yeah, it's just a pain in the butt. Cow, you did a terrible job. Putting the air filter in there kind of sucks, but I like that it's open here and it's pretty easy access other than taking the seat off, which that's not even that bad. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's get this taken off and the old filter out. All right, let's get it. hate road bikes up. Good deal. I almost died loading it, so that's always good. Loaded. Okay guys, we're loaded. We're ready to go. Today's load up was brought to you by Monster Energy Zero Sugar. Just kidding, that'd be sweet though. Alright, we're gonna head to Jesse's and go ride. I'm gonna load up the rest of my gear and I'll meet you guys there. Peace out guys. Heck yeah, we made it. We'll ride some dirt bikes. here. Wonder who's all here. Oh, there's a few people. Sweet. Alright guys, I'll pick you up on the track walk, if I even do that. Sweet, sweet. See you guys soon. I have 91 if you need it too. First ride in the titanium foot pegs. Let's see how they go. Sweet little corner track, lots of ruts, good practice.
Nice to have a track like this to warm up on for 15-20 minutes before you hit a hare scramble race. You know what I mean? Like get the heart going, but you're not like exerting yourself a lot, but you just kind of get warmed up, and it's a little hard. I thought it would be, but it's gonna work in nice. Just be a little ginger, otherwise all the berms will blow out. I'm gonna tell Aaron not to like bust them. Try to just roll them and be smooth. You know, ideally that's
what I'm trying to do.
On this end, but on this end the sand will just kind of like.
I mean, that's the idea of being fast, so it's smooth through the corner.
Yeah, roll them and whatnot.
I'm trying to work out my arm pump and
yeah, exactly.
Get myself back into riding.
Nice little corner track you got here.
Yeah, man, they're pretty fun. I might move that one tire. Yeah, the berms can blow out, so especially when a 450 shows up like Damon or whatever, they'll so just try to roll them and not blow them up. You know how they'll like G out,
right.
Especially kind of like the sand, just kind of.
As long as you don't get on the top of them like that.
Right. Yeah, you just kind of. I mean, feel free to hit them hard, but you know how you like kind of just gas and it'll just like create a hole.
It's been a while since I rode on the track with ruts on it, so
you're gonna like it. They're super fun. Yeah, I'm gonna move that tire.
What's the tire for? Just to keep you?
It floated down with the rain.
Oh.
I moved them around and kind of had different corners. You know.
So should we throw in a little figure 8?
God damn, that wind's strong.
Is Chris Rice coming? I see it being loaded out.
Chris should come. I haven't heard back specifically, but it sounded like Dave was coming up. But.
Oh, sweet.
Damon's a pussy.
He goes, I don't want to get my new bike dirty.
I was trying to ride real close to Dave, and he messed me up. And then, got on video?
Yeah, I got that on video. You good?
I was too close to Dave, and then I cross-rutted, and I came across, and I could hear him. I'm like, oh, somebody's to my inside. You alright? Yeah.
It looks like it ripped your pants a little bit, but that's about it.
It tore a hole in my pants. That bottom exit right here on the 8.9.
Yeah.
It's a good one.
Big corner action. little solid underneath, get some ice. Yeah, lots of good ice. Great day. Alright guys, epic day. Crashed a few times. Everyone else crashed a lot. It was a good time. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like, leave comments, do something. It helps my YouTube channel out. Although I don't have a whole lot going on yet. Gotta start somewhere. Yep, heading home. It'll be a good drive home. Got a ride with everyone. That was awesome. Can't wait to do it again. Alright guys, until next time, take it easy, peace out, and I'm gonna cruise on home. See y'all later. Thanks for watching, bye.